Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about animate method. First of all, we will download an image and then convert it into different sizes to use in our app. Search airship png and here it is. Let's save this, and this is JPEG image. We will not save this. This is also a JPEG. Ignore this. Look for the PNG image. And this is a PNG image. Let's save this airship. And now we will convert this image to use in our app. Open this appicon.co. We will convert this image for our image set. Choose iOS and drop this image here and then click generate, and it will create these three files: airship 2x, airship, and airship 3x. Let's start a new project. Here we have these three images. Click these assets and drag and drop these three images here, and that's it. We have successfully imported our image. And here you can see that we have this 1x, 2x, and 3x. First of all, we will use this image view. Add a new constraint from bottom 0. New alignment constraint, center horizontal. And for image view, let's select the image from this drop down, airship. Now here we have airship. Let's create a button here. Another button. Change its name to up and down, and a new alignment constraint, horizontal center. Add a new constraint from top to 60 and uncheck this constraint to margin, and add a new constraint 40 and uncheck this constraint to margin. Now let's go to the code. Connect this button by drag and drop. Name this up, type UI button. In the same way, the down button, name down. type to UI button. Now we have connected our two buttons. Let's create our function animate. Type boolean. Let's take it boolean, not integer. Type integer, or we can also use up as boolean. So if up, then do this, else, and for up we will call this function animate true and animate false. Here we have animate up true and animate up false. And here we will use this method UIView.animate with duration 2 and the animation. Let's first connect this image airship. Now we have this UI image view airship. So we will use this class, we will refer this class self.airship.frame is equals to cgrect and here we will use this for x, y, width and height. Let's create a variable for y-axis 0. And for up we will set y-axis 20 and for y-axis down 900. So y-axis to 0 and down for y-axis 700. And when we press up and when we press down. So thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you have any question, then leave it in comment section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.